A foggy start through southern areas, plenty of sunshine around, but then turning wetter and windier across the north later. I'll have all the details about and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Thursday, 27
I'm hidden away. She's always been a bit of a sweet
Always.
feeder.
Apart from not the pistachio chocolate yesterday, because I don't like pistachio. But other than that, in the green room, there are eggs round there.
You're doing with the weather?
Do you know, I'm not doing very much. There's some sunshine, there's a bit of rain on the way, but some of us could see the northern lights. Here's the details.
Yeah.
So for many of us yesterday, it was beautiful when we had the sunshine. But one thing worth pointing out, if you live across Scotland, you could be treated to seeing the northern lights overnight tonight. So this is a forecast to show the probability of how likely you are to see it. It's really the northern half of Scotland. So basically, head out after sunset, look to the north, and you have a very good chance of seeing them. The problem is... Good morning to you. A fairly foggy start through southern areas first thing this morning. The weather has been pretty settled and mild, but a weather front slips through today, bringing with it some rain. And actually, the weekend is a tale of two halves. Yes, there'll be plenty of fine weather and sunshine thanks to high pressure, but there'll be some rain around as well. But I'll have more on that in just a moment. For today, it is one of fog through southern areas, warm where we have that sunshine, but there's a band of rain moving in across the far north. So this is how it looks first thing this morning. Clear skies means temperatures have fallen through southern areas, and that is where we've had some fog around. So visibility in the south, just a couple of hundred metres. So a warning from the Met Office for slow going on the road, so allow extra time for your journey. But once it clears, and it will, it'll be slow to do so, there'll be plenty of sunshine. So for England and Wales, just like yesterday, temperatures way above average, 18, maybe even 19 degrees Celsius across the far south and east, but a weather front across the northwest brings cloud and rain. That rain turns heavy, so a cooler, breezier day to come here as we end our afternoon. Let's see how things, though, change as we head through the next 7 days with our outlook. And I think the big thing is it still stays relatively mild. So we look across the north of the UK, first of all, Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England. This is where our temperatures should be for the time of year. You can see the dip as we have that rain, but as we head through the weekend and into next week, temperatures return above average. Now, looking at our percentage chance of rainfall, how likely we are to see wet weather. We have our band of rain around today. Sunshine and showers as we end the week and start the weekend, but a change into Sunday as weather fronts clear, the high pressure returns, and the outlook is sunny and settled as things look set to warm up. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be for the time of year, and we stay above average. Now, looking at our percentage chance of rainfall, well, today is largely fine and dry after that fog has cleared. Tomorrow we see a band of rain slipping its way southwards, but then actually the weekend is pretty good looking. Chance of rain actually only increases overnight on Saturday, so by day it looks fine and it stays that way with the warm weather next week too. Can I just say, I know this is really silly, but later in the evening when I was a little tipsy, I was shouting, "Oh, they are actually real." It's so amazing to understand that they were...
It was a glorious night.
There
is devotees of the show know, because obviously many from afterwards.
Right.
And we were both up at the crack of a sparrow's cough, but...
Good morning to you. Now, what some of us may see tonight is a bit of a treat. The northern lights can be visible across the north of the UK. A solar wind approaching us means that from overnight, particularly with the clearest skies across the north of Scotland, we will chance to see those amazing, stunning aurora borealis. Now, weather-wise, though, this morning it is cloudy and grey for southern areas. Fog around, but then it will soon brighten up with outbreaks of rain across the far northwest. So we have a warning from the Met Office for fog for southern areas of England, just 100 metres visibility for some areas. So really slow going on the roads, allow extra time. It will slowly clear away, and then when it does, England and Wales, dry, fine, bright, plenty of sunshine and warm yet again. 18, maybe 19 degrees, but cloudy and wet for Scotland and Northern Ireland. That rain will be heavy at times, spoiling our chance to see the northern lights first thing this evening, but better chance by tomorrow morning. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. The weather first thing this morning is fairly foggy through southern areas, then it will brighten up nicely. A band of rain moves in across the north, and we can start to see that band of rain moving in across northern areas of the UK first thing this morning, so it turns increasingly cloudy with outbreaks of rain for Scotland and Northern Ireland. A much cooler day than we had yesterday, where it was beautiful and warm. Today we're looking at 11 to 14 degrees. In the south, though, with the best of the sunshine for England and Wales, another warm one ahead. Top temperatures could be 18, maybe even 19 degrees.